Why time audits matter.
Time audits are a powerful tool for anyone who wants to take control of their schedule. By deliberately tracking how you spend your time, you gain insight into hidden habits and patterns that can sap productivity. Understanding these unseen time sinks is the first step toward making positive changes and reclaiming hours for your most important tasks and personal priorities.
Getting started with a time audit.
Begin by choosing a typical week and committing to track all your activities. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or a time tracking app, whichever fits your style. Log every task, meeting, break, and spontaneous detour. Record start and end times as accurately as possible. Aim for honesty, not perfection. The goal is to reveal where your minutes and hours truly go, not to create an idealized version of your week.
Spotting your hidden time sinks.
After a week, review your time log and look for patterns. Pay attention to frequent or unexpectedly long activities, social media scrolling, email checks, and unplanned chats. Notice time lost during context switching or waiting. Highlight time blocks that don't align with your goals. These are your hidden time sinks, areas where small actions accumulate into significant lost time each week.
Taking action to reduce wasted time.
Prioritize and reallocate your efforts based on what you discover. Consider setting boundaries for distractions, like limiting social media to specific windows or batch similar tasks together. Automate or delegate wherever possible. Replace low-value routines with actions that move you closer to your goals. Consistently reviewing and tweaking your habits ensures you steadily reclaim more productive, fulfilling hours.
Building lasting habits for time mastery.
Make time audits a recurring check-in, not a one-time event. Regularly revisit your schedule to catch new patterns and adapt as life changes. Over time, you'll develop a sharper awareness of how you invest your minutes. By actively managing your time, you create space for growth, achievement, and true work-life balance, turning insight into lasting productivity and satisfaction.